Hello, and welcome to the exciting world of course production. You've done all the hard work in planning your course, creating the curriculum, and creating the experiences. And now it's time to bring it to life. Think of the stage as the fun, creative part where you get to turn your ideas into something tangible, something your students will engage with, learn from, and enjoy. Now, in the past, creating a course often meant hours of recording with expensive equipment, professional studios, and a lot of technical know how. But guess what? Today, things have changed. You don't need to be a tech expert or have a massive budget to produce a professional quality course. Thanks to modern AI tools, anyone, yes, anyone, can now create high quality educational content from the comfort of their own space. So, whether you are an expert in your field or just starting out, the production process is now more accessible than ever. It's all about using the right tools to create engaging, polished, and professional looking content. And the best part, you don't need a massive team or a fancy equipment to do it. So, let's dive into the production process. We'll break it down into easy, manageable steps to make you feel more confident and prepared. Let's get started. Now, what comes to your mind when you think about this production phase of creating a course? Let's break it down. You need top tier equipment. Think high quality cameras, professional microphones, and studio lighting. Not to mention you have to record hours, sometimes even days to capture all the content. And after recording, you are left with the time consuming editing process. This means cutting, splicing, and synchronizing visuals and audio to create a polished final product. It's a lot of work, and frankly, it's so overwhelming for many creators. It's so much time and money that only a handful of people are able to pull it off. And most creators just don't take the next step because they're stuck here. But here is the exciting part. We don't need to rely on these traditional methods anymore. Thanks to so many AI tools and advancement in technology, the barriers to course creation have significantly lowered. Let's first see what has making it easier for us. The landscape has completely shifted, and we now have access to some amazing technologies that make the course production process so much easier, faster, and fun. With these tools, you can create professional content without the need of massive budget. We're talking about user-friendly platforms that allow you to create high-quality videos, clear audios, and stunning visuals, all with minimal equipment. In fact, you can get started with just a basic microphone and laptop. One of the biggest game changers is time efficiencies. Gone are the days of hours spent editing and refining content. Now, you can create engaging videos with a few clicks, and the editing process is streamlined. No more endless hours cutting and pasting footages. These tools allow you to focus on what matters, delivering valuable content to your students. And the best part, you don't need to be a tech expert. These tools are designed for creators just like you, no matter your technical experience. Whether you are creating your first course or your 100th, these modern tools make production accessible, affordable, and incredibly fast. So, let's dive into how we can use these tools to take your course production to the next level. Maybe you don't have a fancy camera. Maybe you're not a fan of being on screen or even hearing your own voice. Quite relatable. Or maybe you're just not in the mood to put in that much effort. And that's totally okay. The process that I'm going to show you right now is the minimalist's path to course creation. The slideshow plus voiceover method. Simple, effective, and works like a charm. And it just requires 3 steps to follow. Number 1, slide production. Number 2, voiceover. And number 3, bringing it all together and generating the video. Let's build a great course without needing a studio setup or a caffeine-fueled all-nighter. You in? If you can convert the ideas in your mind into beautiful, stunning visuals, to explain your concepts, to communicate the learnings, you're already the most liked instructor in the room. And to do this, we're going to use our first AI tool apart from ChatGPT, and the name is Canva. Canva is the next-gen AI-powered slide maker, and it can create beautiful presentations for you in just minutes. Let's head over to Canva. You can simply sign up for free. You can use either your Gmail account or your own personal email for sign-up process, but let's continue with Gmail. I'll sign up with my own personal email and it will take me to the homepage. The homepage is very intuitive. You can already see I have been working on slides myself, but let's create a new slide. You get 3 options. The first one is generate with AI. You can make presentations, web page, document, socials, and in this prompt box, you can write a prompt and it will make a presentation for you. The second option is import from URL. You can upload a file, PowerPoint, Word doc, PDF. We can import from Drive, slides or docs, or directly import a URL. Very easy. Third option is paste in text. And this, we're going to use this one. You see a white box and you can paste your text here. Now let's head over to ChatGPT in the same thread that we used to create our curriculum. And we came up to a level where we created the lesson for Module 1, Lesson 1. We'll use a simple prompt to convert the lesson into the text for Gamma. The prompt is convert this lesson into a single continuous page without headings, subheadings, and breaks. And just press enter and ChatGPT will get to work. Great, it's done. Now simply copy this text and then we'll head over to Gamma. Now in Gamma, paste your text from ChatGPT in the text window. Don't just do anything right now. Go down and continue. In the next page, you'll have this interface. Go to card by card. Now you see all the text is in one card. One card is equal to one slide in your presentation. You can simply divide the text into multiple cards by using 3 dashes. Let me do it right now and I will divide each paragraph into a slide. Here you go. We have 5 slides ready. Now, on the top, you can see on the left side, there are a few functions. Don't just worry about them for now. You can always play with them later on. Click continue. And the next page, you will be directed to choose a theme. There are loads of themes. Let's just pick this one for now and click generate. and we sit back and wait while Gamma is working for you. Here we are. Gamma is creating our slides right in front of our eyes, and look how beautifully it is structuring your information. Beautiful pictures, beautiful format, and happening right in front of you. Let's wait for a few seconds till the Gamma is generating. And we're done. Your slides are ready. Beautiful slides, wonderful slides. And there's a lot you can do here. On the left side, you see the slides pane. You can choose any slide. Within the editor, you can change the text however you want. Then there are options like improve writing, fix spelling, translate, and much more. But if none of them are to your liking, go up, use the AI prompt bar and write whatever you want here, and Gamma will do it for you. It will modify the slides to your liking until you are satisfied. And that's it. You can present the slides here to see the final version. You can share the slides with anybody. You can export them to PDF, PowerPoint, Google Slides, or PNGs. See, it's so simple. With tools like Gamma or others, there are many others out there. You can always go out and explore. But the slide making part of your coursework has become so much more easier that it doesn't look like an effort anymore. And as technology keep advancing, you'll see more and more tools coming out that will keep making this thing better and better and better. So what's your next step? Open Gamma, sign up, and start practicing. Your course is getting along. Your curriculum is ready, your lessons are ready, your slides are ready. The next step, voiceover. But here's the thing, you don't need a studio to sound like you are in one. Why? Because with AI, there are so many tools available to help you. If you're okay using your own voice, all you need is your laptop's built-in mic and a free tool called Adobe Podcast. Record your lessons in a quiet room on your laptop, run it through the Adobe AI voice enhancer, and boom! Studio quality sound in seconds. No fancy mics, no editing, no headache. But if you're not a fan of recording your own voice, I get it. Mic anxiety is real. You've got options. The next tool which I'm gonna show you is a powerful AI voice generator called 11 Lab that lets you either choose from hundreds of natural sounding voices in different tones and accents, or even clone your own voice and generate voiceovers from your lessons in seconds. Simply head over to 11 Labs and click Go to App. Now, I've already signed up, otherwise it will prompt you to sign up here. You can see our AI for All homepage. So in this interface, go to text to speech, and you will be directed towards this interface. Now don't get carried away with so many things here. In this box, simply write whatever text you want to convert to an audio. On the right side, use one of the many voices available. Now you see we have cloned our voices here as well. You can see Waqas Hassan clone 2, you can see Waqas Alimuddin clone 2, clone 1. We keep experimenting. Pick one, click generate.
Welcome to Generative AI for Beginners, the ultimate course designed for those eager to dive into the world of generative AI.
Your voiceover is ready. Simply download this, and that's it. You have converted your own script into a beautiful studio quality voiceover. See how simple it has become? So now you have two voiceover paths. Number one, record plus enhance. Use your laptop mic to record your own audio and use Adobe Podcast to clean it up and sound like a studio. And number two, generate with AI. Write your lesson scripts, use ChatGPT for that, and use 11 Labs to turn it into a natural sounding studio quality voiceover. Slides? Done. Voiceover? Done. You are nearing the end of your production process. Now it's time to stitch all of it together into a clean, polished video lesson. And guess what? You don't need to touch a complicated video editor. Canva's video editor is easy, intuitive, and totally beginner proof. Why Canva works so beautifully for beginners? It has a drag and drop interface. You can upload your slides and audio separately and simply sync voiceovers with slides, add smooth transitions, and throw in some background music if you're feeling fancy. And with just one click, export it in HD quality video. Now, let's head over to Canva and get blown away by how simple and intuitive Canva video editor is. So in the home page, click on Create Design, go to Videos, and here you see multiple options. We will select slideshow video. You also have templates if you want to use any ready-built templates from the library, but let's start from scratch. So our video editor is open. Now don't get overwhelmed. It looks complicated, but it's very, very, very simple. Step 1. Go to Uploads, click Upload File, and remember the presentation you made from Gamma. Simply upload it. Now we are waiting till this gets uploaded. We have 14 slides. Apply all 14 pages. The curriculum design slides that you saw earlier are here right in front of you. So your slides are here. Next step. Go to Upload, go to Audio, and Upload File. Here I have a few audios which I recorded. This is being uploaded. It's taking a bit more time than I anticipated. Okay, so it's ready. Simply click on it and your audio is here. Now you can simply extend your slide number 1 to match the audio length. Let me zoom it in a bit so it's more visible. Here you go. Slide number 1 is matched with the audio. You want to add another audio to it. Simply click number 2 and the second audio is here. So match your first slide with the audio here. Match your second slide. Put your audio here. Into slide 1 and slide 2 are matched with audio 1 and audio 2. So intuitive. Now within the slides you have the option for animate. You can change it here. You can click an element. You can put when this element is visible. You can go to the sound clips. You can enhance with the built-in AI feature of Canva. You can adjust the volume. You can put in fade in, fade out. Many other options available. And simply when you're done, go to share and download it. And that's about it. Congratulations. You just made course creation doable. If you followed along, congrats again. You have officially built a complete course using the slideshow plus voiceover method, powered by smart, beginner-friendly tools and a whole lot less stress. Now, this isn't about doing it all. It's about doing just enough to create something clean, clear, and impactful. And you just did that without expensive gear, complicated softwares, or endless hours of trial and error. Before you hit publish, one final reminder. Add your human touch. Whether it's a personal story, a custom tweak to a slide, or a playful note in your script, your course becomes memorable when you show up in it. Keep it simple, keep it real,